Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming you're signed into the Google account you want to use and that you have basic access. Once signed in, open Google Sheets from the Apps grid or navigate directly. Create a new blank sheet, pick a template that matches your task, or upload an Excel file to convert. This step decides structure. Make sure shared drive or folder permissions are set if working with a team so you don't lose access later. Now organize your sheet so it scales. Name the file and tab, freeze header rows, and structure columns for consistent data entry. Add data validation and drop-downs to prevent mistakes. Apply conditional formatting to highlight errors or status changes. Start formulas for sums, averages, and VLOOKUP where needed, and use named ranges for repeated references. Once configuration is stable, set sharing permissions and version history so collaborators can edit safely without overriding critical data. To finish, share the sheet with collaborators using specific emails or a controlled link and assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles. Add expiration if temporary. Automate repetitive tasks with macros or app script and use Explore for quick charts and insights. Make copies for major changes and note version history before big edits. If something breaks, check sharing permissions first, then broken formula references or protected ranges. Restore a prior version if needed, and communicate changes to your team promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.